ably represented by our own son, our own leader, the rugged Right Honorable Evans Bibi. Of course, I don't tell her before the name, I also name. Governor, you're welcome, sir. I want to also recognize those persons attached with him. Thank God I don't hear from General Sabuja. Make that threat die. That way they talk, say the man at this and that. No. The man don't declare for here in the presence of everybody who him be. And we are in follow. All of us, they be carrying one way or the other money to use in Jesus to do a different thing against the land, including him. But you see, we look where things they go on, how what don't happen in the past. Some of us will even take their money, but we don't do the right thing. You know, say, before you get man, take strong man money, when he tell you do bad thing, take him money. They don't do what he say. You must title. You must know what in day. If not, they're not going to give you small money now, maybe 500 or whatever. You don't say money they had now. So they think when they call 1 billion or 500, they go worry us. But they don't know, so instead we go tell them, say we'll not go do it. Then they come plan another thing. Give us, make we defend ourselves. So what we take, we carry and do this thing for the right thing. And I always tell everybody, I say, if everybody they wear shoes left, no means say the thing ain't right. They wear them because they think say now wait till the rain. Now style. But one person where among these people do the right thing, like wear the shoe correctly, don't make everything correct. Mark will not follow wrong people do wrong things. Mark will not follow trend. Many people they make mistakes, they follow trend. Now waiting the rain. So that I make with the dwan. No, make we not follow. You don't pass that stage where we go follow waiting the rain. Make we follow waiting correct. Or that language when NPN talk, if you can't beat them, you join them. In fact, now we not go fit beat where you go join now. Yes. Because that day where they rain for you, I say now we be the people. We'll give them that level. Hello? I stand to be corrected for Rivers State, the first tenor of Governor Wike. He stand for podium, call the name of Egberipapa, say make Rivers people thank Egberipapa. Not be medicine we used to them now. So what can I imagine? I say now currently now the same person don't correct himself with simplicity. He no go fail. We know their antics. We know say they don't plan everything down. But you see, we be in planners plan. When I say planners, when I say plan, in planners, they go plan, we go counter plan. They don't need a fall for only one man now. So the truth is that you fit claim, but we fit no claim, but we going to call you. We're going to call you. We're not going to claim, but we're going to call you. Hello? Look, no checking for now. For our leader today here, the leader of Simplicity, Simplified Movement, River State, he not come here on his own. He came here on the mandate of His Excellency, the governor, the executive governor of River State, Sir Fubara. So he's seated here on his behalf. And the same respect we have for governor, we should accord him that respect. Now, make I give it a one information. We get whispering, say from here, will the march go government house? You know what got here? And they tell us any person no march, no go enter the government house. If you see say you got motor, me say I get motor, but I no go enter motor. We go march, go government as the state in our own. You don't belong to any person. There is no way my father and I be governor. You go come tell me, say, go intimidate me. You don't this? You don't go fit in our show. I be make we do something, come put problem for people head. When you be governor, we do very No be these people make a makeshift here to enter River State. No be them make many people finish social they burn and they scatter them. No be them. If himself they do like this, they will get plenty houses so we don't miss road, we don't fit count. By now they're gonna become a big Abuja base. It's just that kind of order no great day. So we maintain. Ladies and gentlemen, I tell everybody say power not be the strongest, but peace is the strongest. When I talk, they say I talk wrong. No. I don't confirm I'm saying not everywhere with a fight. Sometimes wisdom get power past power. Okay? So we have to be wise. The governor is using wisdom to work with this person. So we are going to work with him in that line. Waiting the governor not like, make you not put your... If now waiting in like, he go tell us in a waiting... Yesterday, I beat them before, said we had them. They said they do a job this, a job that. Who be job people now? Who should job pass Egberipapa now? I don't know us. I don't know us. That may be Egberipapa. What? Maka God save no say our level don't pass that kind of thing. When did they come to even arrest? The name Egberipapa says, I don't know whether now, almost 25 years ago, when I begin to say, when they want to arrest me, they go carry shopper, they go carry gunboat, 10 gunboat. In fact, army they pass community. Now, me there, I know say some people not too know, they think, especially they want fat person, you know, I some people they fat. They want fat people, you know, not be size, but the thing. See governor, see as he rich. You know, rich, you know, it be that, but now look, now wisdom, embodiment of waiting, wisdom. Now in there, when he talk in the counting word, yesterday on another waiting talk, he said they want to, what I'm making give them their heart. You know them now, they go tell the sign on necessary thing. They don't chew on the paper, and they say, bros, I don't go fit do this paper, I'm not gonna leave them. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot waste time. Because our governor is still seated, I want to just tell them a thank you for the kind challenges we get. Yet, on a few comments like this, on a try, I know what in our strength. I know what we will do. Now the transportation, and you know, governor saying like, what is the organic support. Governor they always talk that in. They don't want fake. Now I make any of them when we are cloth on top cloth and what I see at the portion. Now true on a lie. I said they like them. No. Make it not be as if one of the one people they pick for road. No. Wear your cloth where? Me say, in fact, I get cloth, but now this one they wear it. If you don't like, I'm consider my body. But when the time reach, the girls will go and skirt and blouse according to what they talk at the 00 hour. The girls will go and skirt and blouse. Orientation matters a lot. Now listen to me. I want to bring on stage. Listen, we got an award for our governor, and even though we go that side, we go make sure we present the award to Governor where they are. When we don't present the award to our able governor finish, that government as well, nobody before, we go reach out. And when we reach out, we go shake the gates. For waiting a year, we will get attention. Because the governor is impressed with what they go on here. The peaceful coexistence, where they go on here, it is a problem go there and all that, for waiting they talk. Which people they talk what they like. But when we know their antics, they don't go feed the towels with their talk. Ladies and gentlemen, as you make your hands busy for His Excellency, the governor of River State, ably represented by His Honorable, Right Honorable Eva Sleepy. Answer. Everybody answer. Answer. River State woman vocal.
The Right Honorable Evans Papakaye, DP, representing the Executive Governor of Rivers State.
Expect you find who connect with that one here. Our governor is surprised about Asabuja. Many people for government, that people, they don't talk plenty things. But he's my faithful. And we have a working relationship. If I dare here, now we are in good day. Except I don't show sign. We get understanding. He's a leader, by God's grace, he's handling the query security-wise. But now what we go do, now he go do. Unfortunately, one of my brother was supposed to here, no day, solo. In fact, in the one at the election, I said, there's no way. Because when honorable governor changed the time, I can't tell them, say, no, wait, never come, make it no come, would get stressed. Now when the time don't change, call again, you know, it's impossible. But man, don't worry, the men, when they talk about day on ground, then the cocoa fish, when we get cover, we go play guitar.